Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be again looking at a question from IIT-JAM Mathematical Statistics 2022 examination. This is a 2-mark question and it is a MCQ question, so only one option could be the correct option. So here you are given some matrix as A and you are asked that the sum of all the elements of the matrix A to the power 100 would be equal to which of these four. Right? So that means in order to know the sum of all the elements of this matrix A to the power 100, we should know exactly what is this matrix A to the power 100. So how would you be calculating the 100 power by multiplying the matrix A to itself 100 times? The answer is no. So instead what we can do here, we can generalize our result. So what we can do, we could calculate few of the powers. So we are given this matrix A as 0, 1, 0, 1 0 0 0 1 1, right? Now what we can do using this matrix here, we could calculate the square of this matrix. That's easy. So we could multiply the matrix A twice. So it is just rewriting the matrix here, or just a second, we could copy this down. This matrix and then this matrix, we are to multiply both of these matrix, right? So when you multiply both of the matrix, let's see what do we have as the first element, multiplying this one with this one, so it is equal to 1, right? And then so you could write it down. After multiplication you would be having 1 0 and 0, then it is 0 1 and 0, then it is 1 1 and 1. So this is your A square matrix. Now what you wanted to do, we wanted to calculate what is the A power 4. So what you can do, instead of multiplying A with A 4 times, what we can do, we can multiply A square with A square. And you know what is A square? We already have this matrix as A square, right? So we could just take this one here and we could take this one here and we could multiply both of them together. So let's see what do we have as our A raised to power 4. So when you multiply this, you have 1 0 0 0 1 0, and then you have 2 2 and 1, right? So this is your A to the power 4. Next what we can do, we could calculate A to the power 8 by multiplying A to the power 4 together, right? We just have to do it few times and then you are able to get your result, and the calculation is quite easy, you see. So just multiply these two matrices together and let's see what do we have. So after multiplication here, your A to the power 8, that is equal to 1 0 and 0 0 1 and 0, and then 4 4 and 1, right? And then you can calculate, just to be sure, you can also calculate A to the power 16. So what would be A to the power 16? It is A to the power 8 multiplied with A to the power 8. And what is A to the power 8? You already have this matrix here, right? So we can take this matrix and we could just write it here and write it here, and then multiply both of these matrix together so that you have 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 8 8 1, right? So now you could see at your matrices until now. So this is your A to the power 16 matrix, this is A to the power 8, right? This is A to the power 4, and this is A to the power 2. In A to the power 2 you have this element as 1 1 and 1, and in all other matrix you can see the first row and the second row, they are exactly the same in each of the matrix. So that means in A to the power 100 also these two rows would be the same, right? So what we are doing here in this case, we are just generalizing our results. So just write it down. So when we are generalizing, so we wanted to write down the power of A to the power 100, and basically it would be available when you write A50 multiplied with A50. So how finally what kind of matrix would you obtain from here? So from this we see the trend that the row 1 and row 2 in all the cases they are going to be the same, and they are the same as the given original matrix. So it is 1 0 and 0 and 0 1 and 0. So the only thing that is changing is this last third row. And what is this third row? So here in this case, you see, when we have the power 16, we have 8 8 and 1, and when we have the power 8, we have 4 4 and 1. When we have the power 4, it is 2 2 and 1. When we have the power 2, it is 1 1 and 1. So that means from here you could generalize that your third element is the same, so that is 1 only. And what about these two elements? They are nothing but just the half of the power here. So in this case, half of the power is 50, and in this case half of the power is 50. So this is your matrix A to the power 100. So what would be the sum of all the elements of this matrix? So you could just add up all the elements. So it is, you have 50 plus 50 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that is nothing but equal to 103. So 103 is our correct option. So let's see at our options. So here option B is the correct option. So option B is the correct option. So I hope you understood this question well. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.